My first 2 years selling on Etsy, my prices were too low. You couldn't see it by looking at my revenue, but when I started calculating my profit, it showed. Now, it wasn't apparently clear to me what I was doing wrong, which is why I said my prices were too low for my first 2 years on Etsy. I think when you first start selling, you just want to make sales. You want to see money coming in. And it takes some time for it to click that the money has to not just come in, but stay in as profits for the business. I made the mistake with both the cost of my items and with shipping, which can be a silent profit killer if you're not careful. I mean, I can do an entire video on shipping charges and how they can eat up your profits. Let me know in the comments if you want to see that. Now, I know it's going to be some business majors in the comments saying it should have been clear or obvious or whatever what was going on, but this is my story and it is what it is. For those of you who are new here, welcome. My name is Shalise, and on my channel, we talk all things finance with a focus on making extra money. I take you on my journey to financial freedom and share what I've learned so you can do the same. This video is sponsored by Relay, and we're diving into a fundamental topic for not only Etsy sellers, but anyone who sells products on a marketplace or your own website. We're going to talk about pricing and why setting your prices too low can be a big mistake and how to fix it. Let's get started. First, let's understand why new sellers often fall into the trap of underpricing. One major reason is the fear of competition. In the vast ocean of e-commerce, new sellers feel the pressure to stand out, and they believe lower prices are the key. Another reason is a lack of market research. Without understanding the value of their products and the market standards, new sellers might unintentionally set prices that are too low. I was losing money because I was undervaluing my product and pricing from an emotional standpoint. We tend to price our items based on what we think we would pay for the item, not by market research and pricing strategies. We fall into the trap of underestimating costs. Many new sellers focus solely on the product costs, ignoring other expenses like shipping, marketing, and platform fees. This leads to prices that don't cover all the business costs. If you're selling on Etsy right now and you don't have a clear understanding of Etsy fees, you might be losing money. And then when we do calculate the profit margin and account for things like Etsy fees or our time to make the product, we feel like people won't pay, so we undercut our profits, which is a big mistake. I've heard the question asked by tons of new print-on-demand sellers. How do you make money? Because to make a profit, you have to price your items so high. The answer is simple. You make money because you price your items so that you can make a profit. And then you provide a quality product and excellent customer service to go with it. New sellers also make the mistake of not accounting for sales, especially when selling on Etsy. There are times when you'll get more traffic from the Etsy algorithm if you're participating in one of Etsy's site-wide sales. If your prices are set too low, running a sale can cause you to lose money. You must have a pricing strategy that will allow you to run a sale and still make a profit. Setting your prices too low has consequences. Firstly, it can lead to unstable profit margins. You're essentially working hard with little financial return. And in severe cases, it can cause you to actually lose money. Setting your prices too low can also damage your brand's perceived value. Customers might associate low prices with low quality. And lastly, it creates a race to the bottom with competitors, which hurts the entire market. If you are not managing your business finances properly, you might not see the consequences of having your prices set too low, especially if you're using your personal bank account for your business. Your business could be eating away at your personal finances. This is where opening a business bank account with Relay can help. Relay is an online business banking and money management platform designed to help small businesses take control of their cash flow. Relay is a financial technology company, not an FDIC insured bank. Their banking services and FDIC insurance is provided by Thread Bank. When you open an account with Relay, you get up to 20 separate business checking accounts, 2 business savings accounts, and you can issue up to 50 physical virtual Visa debit cards. Relay's business checking and savings account have no monthly fees and no minimum balances. And with your savings account, you earn interest, and that interest is paid out monthly at the end of the month. With Relay, you can send and receive ACH transfers and wires. You can deposit and withdraw cash at Allpoint ATMs and collect payments with tools like Stripe, Square, Shopify, and more. You can also use auto transfer rules to move cash between accounts automatically. You can give team members and financial advisors secure role-based banking access, and get personalized customer support by email and phone. That's very important. Each Relay account is covered by the Visa Zero Liability Protection Policy. Relay is also the official banking platform for Profit First. Relay keeps you on track with the Profit First method by allowing you to open accounts in seconds, set up auto transfer rules, and put allocations on autopilot. Getting started with Relay is really easy. There is no opening balance requirements. You can open a business account even if you are a sole proprietor. You don't have to have an LLC. Use my special link in the description to open your account now. Now let's talk solutions to fixing your pricing strategy. First, conduct thorough market research. Understand your competitors, but more importantly, understand your customers and the value your product provides. Pricing is not just about cost, it's about perceived value. If you're selling on Etsy, you can use tools like Everbee to help you research your competitors. Go to Etsy and do a search for your product. Then use Everbee's product analytics feature to compare prices, sales, and monthly revenue. Next, factor in all of your costs, not just product costs, but also shipping, marketing, platform fees, and any other overheads. Ensure your price covers all of these and still leaves room for profit. Everbee also has an Etsy profit calculator that will help you come up with pricing that includes all of your business expenses and shows your profit. I have a link in the description if you want to check out Everbee. Consider value-based pricing. Instead of just competing on price, focus on what makes your product unique. Enhance your product's perceived value through quality, customer service, and branding. And there you have it. Setting the right price is a blend of art and science. Remember, your price reflects your brand's value. Don't sell yourself short. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.